If you'd like to see how I took my bathroom from looking very plain and outdated and unorganized and transformed it into this lovely, bright, and pretty and glamorous bathroom decor, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube! So really quick, this is how my bathroom looked before, you guys. I did some DIYs to do like my soap dispenser and my accessories. I did that video a while ago, but I never showed you how it looked with everything put together. So here I'm just showing you that these blinds were like raggedy, the floor was plain and it was ugly. My shower curtain, I actually love that shower curtain. That was probably the best thing in the bathroom. So I had a teal, no, I had a turquoise and black kind of thing going on. Those were just some Dollar Tree mirrors. The blinds were broken and just a mess. We painted them black because we didn't want to have white blinds, which when I do another small update, I will add curtains to the bathroom to give it a more classier look. This was the old trash can. The floor was just ugly as ever, as you can see. Just plain. I'm just showing you how it looks. Shower curtain again. Oh, and it was white. The bathroom fixtures were white. This was this grainy looking off-white color in the sink. Now this is a DIY video I do have in a playlist. All this will be in a playlist. I painted the sink white with some Rust-Oleum sink paint. Then I went over it with some glitter and epoxy. So there's two separate videos for that. These are new blinds. I painted them silver. This is just another before, just to remind you how they look. I painted the blinds silver. I had a video for that. Some of the footage got lost, so I had to scrap it. That's why I kind of put this video off, but I'm just going to give it to you like this. I've been doing a series of DIYs, getting my bathroom put together, and now I am finally going to start the accessorizing portion. So you may or may not have saw the video of me customizing all these accessories right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and get started putting everything together. Finally, I have new rugs, I have a new shower curtain, I painted in here, and I'm going to do the big reveal and show you how it turned out. And also, I still have my old shower curtain up, so I'm going to go ahead and start to take this down. So I'll just go ahead and speed that up, and that's what I'll be doing right now, taking this down. So I'm going to put everything together, and first I'm just taking down my shower curtain. Now I'm adding my new one. Now let me let you know, this shower curtain is hideous. It was so cute online, but it's hideous to me. Okay, so I just hung up my new shower curtain, and I am not impressed at all. It looks so much better online. I'm not sure, can you tell it's supposed to be broken glass? It just doesn't look like what I expected it to look, so I think I'm going to order something different. But I didn't want to just have a regular shower curtain from the store. Now hanging these towels was not that simple. I think this is my first time I actually had some decorative towels. And I took a lot more time off camera trying to fix these towels, y'all. I don't know why it was so hard. But this was like a Dollar Tree little cylinder vase. I have this vase filler that I'm going to put in here. You can get whatever color you want. I chose clear. And I'm going to kind of fill it up, I think like halfway or a little bit more. I also have a video showing how I made this vase with this Chanel drip. I cut that out with my Silhouette Cameo. Now I'm just adding these little grass straw things. I got those off Amazon. And I just thought it would be cute to have a little pop of green in here. And just to make it look like it had some type of plant or something. So I'm just going to fill this up a little bit more so it doesn't seem like I don't have enough of it in there. You can fill it up as high or low as you want to. I have a video for this as well. This is just a soap dispenser I bought off Amazon. I'm filling it up with some Dollar Tree soap. And later on I did use some yellow spa soap or some yellow soft soap. And it just looks so much better. But it's just liquid soap. So, you know, whatever. But I'm filling that up. I love this little soap dispenser. It was about $7 on Amazon. Just added my little decal to it and bling the top of that out. Really, really cute. So here is my little container. I did the same thing with the Chanel drip. I'm just going to put some Q-tips in it. Now these are very versatile. You don't have to go with the Q-tip. You can put like floss sticks in it. You can put whatever you want to put in it, but most people do put Q-tips in it, but that's definitely up to you. So then it came with a set of 2 that came off Amazon as well, so it was like probably 2 for $10 or 2 for $8. and it's really nice. The top sits on it very good, and it fits Q-tips perfect, you guys. Like, look at that. Now, at the end of this video, I moved some things around. I have a second one. So I'm going to put some Q-tips in here. No, I'm going to put some cotton rounds in here. You could use cotton balls if you want to, but the cotton rounds from Dollar Tree fit perfectly in there. And that's just if you want to, like, maybe put some little witch hazel on it or some alcohol and kind of wipe your face off, or, you know, whatever you want to do. You don't even have to have any of these if you don't want to. I just thought it would be something cute to have on a sink, you know. Just added something because you saw how this bathroom looked before. And look, this is just a little glitter epoxy resin soap dish that I made myself with some resin epoxy, and I bought the mold off Amazon as well. It was like 3 different molds it came with. This is just some Caress soap that I'm adding to the bathroom. I showed you this, but at the time when I recorded this part, I didn't have the 3M tape to go on the back of it. But this is a that was a toothbrush holder. Now this is a cute little organizer. I think I picked this up from Walmart as well, and I just added the Chanel drip because that was like the whole little theme. You know, I wanted to just spruce it up. Oh, the backdrop. I didn't know what to put in there, so that's why I just put that toothbrush, that toothpaste in there. So don't mind that. Oh, that is my blinged out garbage can. I have a video for that as well, and I just wanted to show you before what the garbage can was looking like. A mess, I know. So here's my cute little blingy garbage can. Some little wall art I made to put up in there. It says, "With God, all things are possible." So I'm just panning through to show you how everything looks. The backsplash, the mirror towel, came from eFavorMart, and it's so beautiful. And I'm just filling up, adding some extra tissue. And eFavorMart.com, and I have a video for that as well. Most of my decor came from Amazon. Look at these fluffy yellow rugs. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. I got these off Amazon, about 30 bucks for 2 rugs. And the colors gray and yellow just like kind of came together. I would have never thought to choose these colors, but they look so beautiful together, you guys. I'm talking fast because I didn't want the video to be too long, so I kind of chopped this up a little bit. You know, I didn't want to bore you. And then just for the sake of it being Chanel drip, I just threw some little cologne my husband had right there in one of my perfumes. Look, I painted this, you guys. You can see a few imperfections, but see how cleaned out this is? I painted it gray. Picked up some little paint from Home Depot. It looks so much better than the white. This was actually white before. If you want to look back in the beginning of the video, it was white. So I'm just kind of slowing it down, showing you how I have things. And of course, I moved some things around. You know, you just kind of want to see how things sit, and you swap things back and forth. But yeah, I just really loved coming into the bathroom. Before it was just like, oh, let me just get in here, do what I gotta do, get out. This makes your bathroom feel like you're in a fancy hotel or something. Of course, that organizer, you could put makeup brushes in there, whatever you want to put in there. It's up to you. But I bought it because I could just see the idea of how I could put my decal on there. I used to sell the Chanel drip decal on eBay, but they shut down my listing, I guess because it was Chanel. But eventually I will start back selling that on my website. Here's the blind. I thought the silver blind was a really nice added touch. And then I'll get to the other part of the bathroom. And this bathroom is really small, you guys. So this is like a small bathroom. This was actually very affordable. It really was. And I'll do like a cost breakdown. The flooring was nothing but like $38. And then this wastebasket was about $15 from Target. Then I blinged it out. Once again, that's showing you how the bathroom, how the toilet, how the wastebasket was. Sorry, you guys. I'm just trying to really look and see what's going on here. Oh, and this, oh my goodness, I do not like this shower curtain, you guys. It looks so much better online. I swear it did. The painting, this is my first wall art painting I made. I love it with the yellow, the crushed glass, and the gray. I love this. It's one of my favorite things. That's what I had there before, these little dollar store. It was cool when I first had that there, but you know, when you upgrade stuff, you kind of look back like, oh, what was I thinking? I literally just added this next clip you're going to see in the video. Literally just added this because my bathroom has been done over for the last few months. But I have finally recorded this next piece to show you how much better this next shower curtain that I have looks. Look at this. Look at this, you guys. Sometimes less is more. This is plain, but this yellow looks so good to me because it ties in with these rugs and my painting and my little decor I have on the sink. I think it just looks really good. And I forgot to show you guys my toilet brush cleaner. and I'll show you that in the next couple clips. But look at this, you guys. It's glitter. I know this is not for everybody, but I did put some glitter and epoxy and mixed it up, covered up my sink. You see how dingy and ugly it was before. I whitened it up and then I added the glitter just to be a little extra. But I love this tile. This is called, it's self-stick adhesive tile. It came with 10 tiles in it. It's self-stick and it was $50 a box. It was on sale because it's usually $70 a box. efavormart.com. It comes in rose gold, silver, and gold. I got it in silver. And I love it, you guys. I love it. I have a video for that as well. I'll have all this in the same playlist if you're interested. And again, it's really smooth. This is how it looked before. I never really cared for it. And this is how it looks right now. Nice and smooth. And that's how it looks. And I just wanted to make it look nice, you know, on a budget because, you know, it was on a budget. Last but definitely not least, I don't know how I almost forgot about this. My toilet bowl brush. You see, I just took some adhesive rhinestone sticker paper. I'm not sure how I feel about this. I can always change it. I could have just left this bare, but for the sake of being extra. But this is so pretty to me. I like this. I really do. It's fancy, right? I like that a lot. Okay, so I'm going to put this right over here. So this is where I'm putting my toilet bowl brush. So I did end up finding a piece of 3M tape that came with the toothbrush holder. So I didn't really want to stick it to this cute glass mirror, but I need it to be up here to hold our toothbrushes. So I am going to go ahead and put that on there. So I'm just trying to figure out exactly where I wanted to put it. I just went ahead and used a little piece of 3M tape that it came with. But later on, I did end up buying some Gorilla Glue brand 3M tape. And that worked a lot better. Because, you know, once it gets kind of hot and steamy in your bathroom from like showering and stuff, it kind of loosens up that tape. But with the 3M Gorilla Glue, I haven't had any issues. Also, this was about $7 on Amazon. Another thing, before I forget and don't know where to add it in the video, this whole DIY setup didn't cost me any more than $250. Oh, I'm adding some E6000 to the knob that goes on the medicine cabinet. Adding some 5mm rhinestones. Probably should have used 4mm. So just throwing that in there just to add a little detail, you know. But yeah, the most expensive thing was the backsplash, which was $50. And I did have more than one box, but I ended up only needing to use one box. But if you want to really go back and backtrack, there's a video for it. And again, I'm just so happy about this yellow. This was $20 on Amazon as well. I'm just so happy about this yellow shower curtain. You just do not understand. It just really brightens it up. It just makes it look so pretty. What also makes it look bright is that beautiful backsplash. It just makes it look so good. The second most expensive thing was the floor tile, which was $38, and I did it myself. Okay, again, you guys, this is like a final walkthrough, a final walkthrough. And, you know, like I said, this was not $300. At the most, I would say $250 to $280. All those little knickknacks, it adds up. I got a lot of things off Amazon, like the rugs and stuff. I had to get it on Amazon because in Target and Walmart, they didn't have the right type of yellow. And the yellow that I had in mind, I wanted it to be like a kind of like a bright, like a vibrant yellow. But you know, I love how everything turns out. A good old DIY is cool with me. But that floor, I will never do that again. I'm sorry. I'm not into floors. It was hard, you know, trying to cut that tile. It looks really good when people do it online. It's just not for me. Everything else to me was cool. You know, it was cool. But that I could pass. I'll definitely pass on doing the floor. I'll have someone else do it. You got to know your strengths and your weaknesses. The floor was my weakness. But anyway, you guys, I just want to thank you for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Share it on Facebook. I really hope this inspired you to do something to your bathroom. Even if you don't go as extreme as I did, or you don't have to do the bling, or the backsplash. Just do it how you like it. So when you go in that bathroom, flick that light on, that you feel good about being in there, brushing your teeth, taking a shower, or doing whatever it is you want to do. It's just a nice, comforting feeling to just feel just happy to be in somewhere that's cute and clean and organized. You know what I'm saying? So I appreciate you guys. Hello to my new subscribers. Hello to my not my old subscriber, all my subscribers. And if you're just stopping by because this video caught your eye, thank you for stopping by. Even if you don't subscribe, I get it. You know, it's your choice. I don't want to force anybody to be in here who doesn't want to be here. Thank you guys again for watching this video. Let me know what you think. What colors are in your bathroom? Are you going to redo your bathroom? What you going to do to your bathroom? And under $300, it can be bomb. Bye-bye. Be sure to check out our website, myroyalradiance.com, where we sell lip gloss, hand sanitizers, and more. Use the coupon code ROYALBEAUTY10, all for a special discount. Be sure to check out our website, see our tactical defense, where we sell gun cleaning mats and in-waistband gun holsters. My special code for my subscribers is VIBES, V-I-B-E-S. For most of the DIYs for the bathroom video that I showed you today, I do have a whole playlist with other DIYs broken down to how the bathroom got to this point. Thanks again, you guys. Bye-bye. I'm almost at 10,000 subscribers. Thanks, you guys, so much for that.